Hi Professor, this is Terence. Today I'm making this video is because recently I've done some work to make my progress on my PhD papers, and I want to record what I have already done recently to and send to you. Maybe next time when we're doing the face-to-face online meeting, you can give me some advice about how to improve my work. The start is recently I reading these articles. It shows evaluatory overview of land consolidation based on bibliometric analysis. This is attract me to do something like that. But the topic is land consolidation. It is not a business of my topic. But I think it is a good article for me to know how to use bibliometric analyze. And I realized in these articles, the author used a lot of pictures and graphs, figures like this. It shows how this topic changes in this period and how it developed in this time. So I start to know how to use what the author used to analyze this data, and I found I should have install a software name is RStudio and the software R. Then I start to know how to use this one. It shows I should use this software. It will show this interface. So, and I have to use the code in this software. When I try to do this one, I will enter another interface like this. This is how I use bibliometric analyze in this software. And so far, I have to find a topic like this. So I use Web of Science and type the keywords, maybe project risk management, whole life cycle project management. So I click search, and according to the information, it shows a whole lot of result. It's like a whole lot. So what I have to do now is I use export. I use Bibtex and just download all this information to one. So I use I will make sure I use the full record and cited references, and I just click the export. It takes a lot of time to just download this type, and all this information will just continue to one. It's like there is one. So that is what I will use lately. So now I get back to the interface. This one I use data import and load. Choose import raw files, and the database is Web of Science, so I will just leave it as Web of Science, and I choose a file, maybe this one, project risk management, and I click start. Then it will start open to analyze all this information I just export from the Web of Science. So there is information I need to use. There's a lot of information I could use. When I first start to use this interface, I get so confused. What is this mean, and how I gonna use it? It's like this one document, most global cited document. I always click start, then it will shows some information for me. It's like the author's name, a lot of things. And for example, when I try to analyze the semantic evolution, I use this interface. Sometimes I have to use the option to make it works. It's like this one. So I click start. yeah, it will show some information. I am so confused about what this means. Every time the AI tools will be a big help, a good teacher for me to use. I always use a screenshot to just screenshot this one, and I copy it, and I get to the AI interface. I paste this picture and I ask him what is these pictures mean. Okay, it will show something like this. I just transfer to the English. It shows this imaging is a semantic evolution chart, and from 1995 to 2020, there is a timeline, themes, color coding, a lot of things. When I reading this paragraph, it shows how these pictures mean, and it did help me a lot to analyze all this data and what I should focus on, like what is the keywords, what I should just make, and I always ask a question about how to improve my topic. So this is what I have done, and I've realized there is a lot valuable articles for me to use. So I will just search all these articles and use Zotero, and then I get to really using it to read. So this is how I recently done. I think there is a little progress for me to push my articles going. So I really hope maybe in this month, when you are free, we can hold another face-to-face online meeting. So you can give me some advice about what I've really recently done. And thank you, sir. Hope you have a good day. I really hope we can meet this month. Thank you.